Okay, welcome guys to Forex Success. Yeah, so guys, this video it's actually for new strategy. You get that, guys? So this is a new strategy that I'm bringing to you right now for Crash 1000 Index. It's a very profiting strategy if only you understand and use the strategy well. Remember, all strategy has rules, and if you don't follow that rules, there is no way you're gonna be able to be successful using that strategy. So with this strategy, I believe a lot of you are going to be able to make money with this Crash 1000 Index strategy. So it's a very quick time strategy. You just use the strategy to scalp some funds out of the Crash 1000 Index. That is, we're using this strategy to buy Crash 1000 Index. It's a very simple strategy. So I'll show you how you can make money with this strategy for real. So guys, make sure you share this video to your friends so that they will also acquire this strategy and start using it to make money for themselves. You get that, guys? So if you're new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Give this video a thumbs up and join our Telegram group. The link is at the description below. So this is Deriv. This is where we trade all synthetic indices, as you can see. So the link is at the description below to create an account so you can start trading with us as well. So let's just jump into the strategy and then you see how it's awesome. It's a very powerful strategy, so don't skip any part because you're going to miss it. If you skip, guys, you miss the content of this video. So it will just look be like you're wasting time watching it. So don't skip, just take the time and understand it. It's a very simple strategy, just two indicators and I'm done. It won't be more than 8 to 10 minutes for this strategy. So let's get in. The first indicator, guys, that we just need is the average true range. So average true range, you set your period on period 14. You can see on my screen I'm using period 14 right there. Then the style, I'll be using 3 pixel. These levels, let me delete this because a lot of you are gonna have issues adding your levels. If you want to add your levels, you click on this add button, add. So I've added the level, you see. But if you try to add level and this plus button is not working for you, simply go to your Play Store or your App Store and upgrade your MetaTrader 5 application. Once you update your MT5 application, you'll be able to add levels. That's it. So you add level 0.5. That's just the level we need. Set the color. Just put the color. Let's use this dark blue for recognition, guys. Okay, you go back and then you click done. So this is the levels we set. You can see the average true range. That's it right here. So we just need one more indicators which we are going to be using as our second confirmation on the main chart. The second indicator will be a moving average on period 40. So we just add the 40 SMA to our chart just for another confirmation before we enter trades with this strategy. So you see the parameters for the moving average: period 40, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, the style 3 pixel, you click done. As simple as this, guys. Please be appreciating because I'm giving you these strategies for free, guys. A lot of persons are selling their strategy, but guys, Forex Success, we don't sell strategies, we give it to you for free. So subscribe to our channel, and keep the motion going, keep it going. Give a thumbs up and drop good comments so that the video can also reach out to other persons who which will definitely be beneficiaries of this strategy, guys. So I'm going to use this strategy on this video so that you will see how it works. So firstly, I will explain what the indicators actually show, what they indicate on this strategy. So firstly, guys, you just need to watch out for two things with this strategy. Get the brush to mark this out. First thing you need to watch out for, first and most important thing, is that watch out for this green line. You see this green line? Yeah, this green line right here. You need to watch out for the green line to touch the 0.5 level. You see this line? Okay. Okay, let me just clear this chart off. Yes, so guys, you see the 0.1 level at the bottom, that is this 0.5 level. So you need to watch out for this green line to touch the 0.5 level. That is the first confirmation for you to place a buy. Then you need to watch out for the moving average to cross below the chart. 1 minute time frame, remember guys, we are using 1 minute time frame and the first zoom level, that is the smallest zoom level. You can see you zoom out, so you zoom into the smallest, that is what we are using. First zoom level and 1 minute time frame is a sniper strategy, you remember guys. So after you get a first confirmation, which is the green 80 arrow line touched below the 0.5 level at the 80 arrow, you see. So as soon as it crosses below, it indicates a buy, and then you watch out for the moving average to cross below this chart. You place a buy, you take out 6 candles, then you close your trade. You wait again to get that same condition again, then you place a trade, you get your 6 candles, and you're out again. And again, you see at this point again it crossed below right here. Look at it, first condition, second condition right here, which is the green line crossed below the 0 level. It indicates a buy for you. You see that guys? As easy as that. That's how the strategy works. Remember, look at it, this is where a lot of you makes mistake. I will explain this right now. It crossed, look at the line, came from the top, reached the 0.5 level, which indicates a buy, and look, the moving average crossed below the chart, it gives us a buy. Okay, let's watch at this point guys. Look at where it crossed below, and then the chart, the moving average crossed below. You can still get your 6 candles from here. You can see you can get your 6 candles. So let's just count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you can get your 6 candles from there, and you are at. That's why you don't need to be greedy, because you don't know how soon the spike is gonna come, so you won't get caught up with the spike. You just need to be very fast using this strategy. First condition here, and the second condition, it crossed below, you get your 6 candles, you are out. You get that guys? So as soon as the condition is met guys, it must give you that 6 candles before it spikes. So you don't just need to be greedy, you don't need to have any atom of greed using this strategy. Look at it again, it touches the 0.5 level, the blue moving average cross below, you get your 6 candles, you are out of the market, you keep on catching. So guys, this is a very nice time to place a buy with this strategy to catch 6 candles. So what will I do? I'm gonna place a buy right now, just for us to clarify this strategy. So I entered right here, you see I entered right here. What did I see? I saw the condition, which is the line crossed below the 0.5 level, and then I'm expecting what? 6 candles. Then I will go out of the trade. So this is actually, thank God we just got this good condition for me to show you this strategy. So I've placed a buy on crash, on crash 1000 index. So I'll just simply wait for it to give me the condition, for it to give me the 6 candles, and what will I do? I'll be out of the trade. As simple as that. So while we're waiting, let me show you other levels where the strategy is doing its usual wonders. Look at it. We got the move to the downside first. Okay, firstly we got the move to the downside. You see this, and then what happened? A buy. Take your 6 candles and you are out of the market. So it is none of your business whether the market continues to move to the upside. You just ignore that, because you won't want a situation whereby you'll be caught off by spike. So if you follow the rules guys, the strategy is very powerful. It is very powerful, for real guys. So that's just how this strategy works. Look at it again, it crossed below the zero level right here. Look at it. First condition, you catch your 6 candles and what? You're moving with the strategy. Again here, look at it. Cross below the zero level. Look at it. You just catch your 6 candles. Use nice lot size to catch your pips. You can see 3 lot size. That's what I used on this candle. So you can actually use whichever lot size. So let's say this is, let's see how many candles. Okay, the third candle is actually starting right now. So probably by the end of the 6th candle, I should be on about $8 or $9 profit with this strategy. As simple as that. So if you're able to catch up to 10 in a day, guys, that's about $90. You keep on doing that, as easy as that. And you can use, you don't really need to have $1,000 in your account before you can use this strategy. As little as $20, $10, you can use this strategy to make money. So I'm not going to end this video because I want you guys to see that this strategy is actually working well. Yeah, so I want you guys to see at the end of the 6 candles, that's where I'll be taking my profit with this strategy. You can see all the conditions are met. Look at it. The moving average cross below here, and then what? The ATRO line cross below the 0.5 level. So I placed the buy, and then what is happening? I got 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle. I'm waiting for the remaining 3 candles to take profit with this strategy. Exactly, guys. So we are just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait. You can see I'm on some drawdown on volatility 50 index, the trade which I took. So I'll just use this opportunity to check it out. This is a long-term trade which I took today because I'm seeing a very long sell on this 50 index. That is, this moves continue to this downside. That's just my target for this trade. So it's actually having some pullbacks right now, some retracement to the upside, but what is going to happen is still going to sell. So I'm just going to keep on holding it because the pullback I'm getting right now, it's not supposed to affect me in any way. Yeah. So, and also for step index, on step index I'm on profit. It's actually giving me a retracement right now, but I'm still holding because the sell, it's gonna be a massive one. I'm expecting to TP at this previous support level. As simple as that. So let's see how far we've gone on the crash. 1000 index, 1 minute time frame. How many candles do we have now? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 candles, remaining 1. As soon as the 6th candle, you take profit, and that's all. That's just how to use this strategy to make money. You can see you don't have to be greedy. You don't need to be greedy. You just keep on making money continuously. Just as simple as this, guys. So trading, you don't really need to have the knowledge on everything or price action. If you are the type who does you don't actually understand those stuff, you can just simply be using this strategy to make money. The reason why we're trading is actually to make money. So there is no big deal behind it, guys. So you can trade the simple way, provided at the end of the day you're making money. That's just all that matters in it. It's not about really about being the proof, being the best. No, there is nobody is giving anybody award on this thing. You get that, guys? So you just need to be able to make money from it. That's just it. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the link at the description below to create an account on Deriv, so you can start trading synthetic indices. Yes, they are the only broker that offer synthetic indices for you to trade. Yes, so we got the link at the description below to create an account. Share this video with your friends and loved ones so that they can also benefit from this strategy and start making money. So guys, let's count together. Let's count. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles completed, and what did it give us? $7. So close trade. You can see. So you can simply use this to make money. So this is the strategy. I backtested it right in your front. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna relax and wait till I see another condition like this, then I get in again. take some good profits, and then I'm good to go. That's just simple way to make money trading crash 1000 index. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and subscribe to Forex Success, because we got you with good strategy. We're going to be bringing more great strategies for you to make money. Thank you guys for watching.